Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. Today is the day for November's postcard. So each month we've made a little postcard block which we're going to put together at the end of the year. And for November I've done a bonfire, and the background of my fabric represents fireworks. So November for me is all about firework night and the bonfire. So what I've done is I've chosen a piece of fabric, and this has got a background which reminds me of fireworks. So if you're not fortunate enough to have a beautiful piece of fabric like this, what I would encourage you to do is to look through and find some fabric that you've got some background where, so this one's got some sparkles, so this could represent fireworks. Or I've got this one which is a night sky, and then I've got this one that looks like fireworks raining down. So if you wanted to just do a plain background, you could embroider some fireworks onto your fabric to start with. So I'm going to pretend that this is my fireworks, and as you can see on this one, I've used orange, 2 tones of oranges and some yellow to create the illusion of flames. And then I've used my trusty wood fabric, which I've only got this tiny scrap left of now, to make the sticks for the fire. So you don't have to be a good artist to do this. So what I did was I took my Bonder web and I just very roughly cut out some shapes. So on this one, I started with the yellow, and I just cut out some shapes which you could say look like flames. And then what I did was I just layered them, and I kind of worked backwards. So then I did some of the darker red. And the great thing about this is it doesn't matter because flames are all shapes, sizes. So I just cut some of those out. I've already put the Bonder web on the back of this fabric, by the way. So, and then I just laid it over like this. Then I did a lighter orange. And I laid that over like that. And I just carried on building it up. So I might want a bit of orange. So further up, I might do a bit of a flame shape. So you can see on this one how I've got some flames which I put on afterwards. So you just keep building it up and adding to it till you're happy with what you've got roughly looking like a bonfire. Just move that around a bit. And then the next thing I did, I'm probably going to put a bit more yellow on there. So I did all of this first before I took the back off and then pressed it with the iron. So I'm going to put some more there like this. So just lay it all out roughly. And then I took some of this lovely brown fabric, which I don't want to mess up now because, as I say, this is my last piece. If only I could find out where I got it from and see if they've got any more. And then I laid this across at angles to form the sticks for the bonfire. So just going to keep doing this. And they can be different lengths. See, I start to get a bit fussy about the sticks now. I'm going to put that in the middle like that. And I'm just going to keep building it up. And then you take the back off and take it to the iron to press it all down. So when you're happy with your layout, then you're going to go to the iron and press it all down until you have something that looks like this. Now, what you could do is you could put plumes of smoke coming off the bonfire if you wanted to. You could put some more embellishments so it looks like fireworks. Your November postcard doesn't even have to be fireworks. It could be something else. So I'm just going to give you a recap of the other postcards that we've done. And as I say, at the end of the year, I'm going to show you how to put them all together, because we've got some that are portrait and some that are landscape. But I will show you how these will all fit together. So we've got January, February, March, April, May. Just tidy up the little maypoles for May. June. So we've got a nice picnic going on there for June. July. August with our agapanthus. September with our apple tree. October with our pumpkins. And now November with our bonfires. So it's as easy as that. It's just cutting some shapes, using your Bonder web and assembling them so it looks like your bonfire. So as always, have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss December's postcard and how to put it all together. I look forward to seeing you next time here in the sewing studio.